Anthonytutorials.
Hi there, welcome back to Anthonytutorials. If you are looking to create a professional and eye-catching website, one of the first things you need to consider is your banner size. In today's video, I will talk about the best website banner size and their uses. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is a website banner? It's the first thing visitors see when they land on your site, whether it's a large hero image or a slim promotional strip. Banners set the tone and grab attention. Banners are typically used for highlighting promotions or announcements, displaying your logo and branding, encouraging call to actions like signing up or exploring your content. Now, let's talk about the popular banner sizes and their purposes. While there are no one-size-fits-all answers, here are the most commonly used banner dimensions. Hero image 1920 by 1080 pixels, perfect for homepage banners that span the entire width of the screen. Use this for storytelling or strong visual impact. Full width banner 1600 by 500 pixels, great for clean, focused headers without overwhelming the content below. Small header banner 1200 by 300 pixels, best for blog pages or secondary website sections. Sidebar banner 300 by 250 pixels, commonly used for ads or additional information alongside content. Mobile friendly banner 320 by 100 pixels, optimized for small screens and mobile apps. Each of these sizes has its unique purpose, and choosing the right one depends on your goals. For example, hero banners work well for storytelling, while sidebar banners are perfect for promoting products or services without distracting from the main content. If you are wondering how to create these banners, tools like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and Figma are excellent options. Many of them even offer pre-made templates, so you can jump right in without starting from scratch. So, to wrap it up, the best website banner size really depends on your website's layout and purposes. Remember to choose a size that fits your design goals. Optimize for both desktop and mobile users. Keep your design clean and engaging. I hope this video helped you understand the best banner size for your website. If you found this useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Anthonytutorials.